Hi, Jane here with the Hobby Ceramic Craft update. So this is the Santa mug, Bisque import 2794, traditionally painted by Katie, an ornamental mug, and you've got the Mako wicker trees in the background, unpainted bisque just there, and then the Santa salt and pepper. But actually, I was thinking that would make a when you're making your posh coffees, you could put chocolate powder in there and maybe the caramel sugar in there. Anyway, Katie has painted this using the paper relief technique, and we've got the fairy dust in the background there, so it's got a bit of a twinkle. I think that'd be the Venetian red maybe there, and a little bit of fairy dust on the top there. I love the twinkle that you get from the fairy dust. These would have been painted with white stroke and coat, paper cutouts put on, then the fairy dust put on, and then the paper reliefs removed, and basically no clear glaze because there's enough paint on all of those areas. There's enough glaze in stroke and coat and fairy dust. You don't need to put any more glaze on top. I think she glazed this one because, as you can see, there's more paintable spaces on that and more opportunities for gaps, so that one probably would have got clear glazed. And I don't think I showed you this. This was Ryan's first attempt. Painted it the other week. It looks very good, doesn't it? Look at that little button nose, how cute. So another busy week. Thank you very much, everybody. We have got stock on the way. There's a colour Robia order, which is clay and Bellissimo colours. We're out of stock of Bellissimo colours. I think there's a containering product, a bottle issue somewhere in the pipeline, but I believe our colour Robia order has been collected and it should be with us about 10 days from now, I believe. We've got containers of stock leaving China at the moment. There's a 40-foot container of our PB shapes, party bisque shapes, that is going to be arriving early January, and we've got a Mako bisque container that is also about to leave and will be arriving similar sort of time, and that's got some of the new Mako bisque shapes on it. Not huge quantities, but you know, enough. And what else have we got? Oh, paint. Yeah, there's Mako paint container that will be arriving early January as well. So there's lots of stock on the way. And what else we've got? Oh, we've got a seminar coming up in January. There's a few seminars coming up in January. Have a little look on the website. The latest one that we've added is we're hosting Cutters for Clay. They're going to come and spend a day here showing you how to use their tools, and you're going to make lots of samples, have lots of experience, and hopefully lots of fun playing with their tools and making some projects that you can actually take back to the studio and use in the studio. So there's 29th of January, that's that date. If we fill up and sell, and if you guys are interested, we could probably duplicate it, do exactly the same thing the following day if we need to, but we will see how bookings go. But that's on the website, and there's other workshops on the website. Kerry's back doing clay prints in January. Matthew's got a slip casting workshop in January, and we're also looking with Steph doing some studio skills workshops. All the stuff that you do every day in the studio, practical techniques, handling customers. We're just working on some of those. It might be good for yourself, might be good for sending staff on, but we're working the details of those ones out. I think that's it. I think I will say thank you very much for all your business. We really do appreciate it. Keep those orders coming in, and it is silly busy time, isn't it? So any additional comments you can put on your orders that will help us get your orders to you safely. You know, special delivery instructions if roads are closed, if access is narrow, if you can't take a delivery on a Tuesday or whatever it is, just let us know and we'll do our best to pass that on. Okay, I think that's it. Take care. Bye.